The company XSense has been getting really big recently, and they sell a lot of home fire safety products. This is going to be a sponsored video where we check out two of their latest products, the CD01 carbon monoxide alarm and the SC07 combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. This is going to be cool. Let's check it out. First, we'll check out the XSense SC07 combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. I have to say right off the bat, the box is very well put together and it feels like I'm unboxing a new phone. This is not cheap. Here's everything that came inside the box. You get the smoke alarm, a mounting bracket, an instruction manual, mounting hardware, a couple of warning stickers that you can hang up that details what you should do if the carbon monoxide alarm sounds. And lastly, a little thank you card that reminds you have a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 5-year warranty. This alarm conforms with UL 217 and UL 2034 standards. It has a photoelectric smoke sensor, an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, a 10-year built-in battery so you don't have to worry about replacing the battery every 6 months, and an LED indicator screen. This helps you better indicate what the alarm is trying to tell you. So when powering on the alarm for the first time, all you have to do is take the alarm and twist it onto the mounting bracket. This will activate the 10-year battery. As you can see, it's now activated. The indicator screen is on and the light is flashing. So this alarm is activating for its very first time. Something I didn't notice until now, we can peel this little sticker off, which helps protect the screen when it's being shipped to you. Now it's a brand new screen. Generally, I find that people are very educated about home fires, but what people often don't know about is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a gas that you cannot detect. You can't smell it, you can't taste it, and when it leaks in your house, which it can, it will basically put you to sleep and kill you. So this alarm is a combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. And we can go ahead and test it by pressing the test button, and you will hear its smoke alarm tones and its carbon monoxide alarm tones. That was its smoke alarm tones. And that's its carbon monoxide tones. And there it is. That's how easy you can test this alarm. And as you can see, it goes back to normal condition, and it's all ready to help protect you. So let's say you already have smoke alarms installed in your home, but you don't have the early detection for carbon monoxide. XSense also has the CD01 carbon monoxide only alarm. Let's check it out. Like the first alarm, you get pretty much the same thing in the box. So let's check out the alarm itself. So this alarm pretty much has the same features as the other alarm. So let's go ahead and activate it. We'll peel off the screen protector here. And then we'll go ahead and put it on its mounting bracket and activate the alarm. As you can see, the LED indicator is activated and the alarm is ready to start protecting your house. It's that easy. You just install the mounting bracket to the wall and then screw the alarm in. And let's go ahead and give this a test. We should only hear the carbon monoxide tones because this should be a carbon monoxide only alarm. Here we go. And there it is. I like how this alarm has an LED indicator because it really helps you better understand what the alarm is trying to tell you. There's so many different chirps and tones and patterns these days, it can become confusing. Alright everyone, I now have two brand new alarms to add to my safety collection. If you're looking for a smoke or carbon monoxide alarm for your house, check out the link I have in the description. And if you use the special code, that'll give you a discount on all XSense products, and that'll also help support my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.